Hi everyone, my name is Chuck Watry and I'm a field product expert for Broan-NuTone and Best. And today we're going to be taking a look at a NuTone 605 RP light heater. And the purpose of the video, I'm just going to take you through how to take the grill off, how to get at the heater assembly if it needs replacing or cleaning. So let's get started. All right, before we get started, going inside this unit, it's always a good practice anytime you go up inside it to clean it or to repair something, make sure that power is turned off. First thing what you're going to want to do to get inside this unit is to remove this lens. You can do that by taking a regular screwdriver. I use a butter knife. Or whatever I have handy, and just get in between the grill and the lens and just pry on it, and that lens will pop right out of there. This is what the lens looks like from the back side, and you can go ahead and you can clean this lens in hot soapy water to get it nice and clean again. The grill is held in by this bracket system. It's kind of like a little V bracket. Keep in mind I have this unit sitting on a table just for filming purposes. But what you would do is you would remove, we call this an acorn nut. You're not really going to remove it. You're going to loosen it up like so. What that's going to do is you can hang onto the grill and put pressure up on that ceiling. And you can actually, if you have it done enough, you can unlock this bracket and you can turn it like so, and this grill would come down. Then you'd have the grill in your hand and you can clean this grill. You know, you can wash it, you could take a vacuum cleaner and vacuum it off as well. Here we have the inside of the unit. We have the heater assembly. We have the fan assembly. The heater assembly has a plug on it, and we designate that by using a reddish oranges plug. The fan assembly we have with a black plug plugged into the electrical box assembly. The electrical box assembly is held in by one screw. The fan assembly is held in by 3 screws. There's actually one screw here, one right here if you can see that, and one right here. If you remove those 3 screws, the whole fan assembly would come out. To remove the heater, if you ever need to replace it or you can clean it, you can unplug this heater just by unplugging it, right? Undo the wires from the clips. And you can take a Phillips screwdriver, and there is a screw located in this heater assembly right here. And there's a little hole you can put your screwdriver through. You can take that screw out like so. Have the screw. And inside this unit, if you take a look, this heater is locked into a bracket system way at the top of that unit. So what you're going to do is you're going to just grab hold of this heater, you're going to tilt it on an angle, and the whole assembly will come right out like so. So that's all there is to getting this heater assembly out. Now you could, if there's a lot of dust and dirt accumulated inside here, again, you can vacuum it. Or what I do is I take it outside and I have an air compressor and I lightly blow all the dust and lint off the blower wheel and off the coils. But that's all there is to getting at this heater assembly. I'm just going to remove this V bracket for now. And again, here's the fan assembly. Again, you take these 3 screws out. There's one missing here. This is a test unit that I have here in the lab, and looks like someone forgot to put a screw in, but there is 3. 1, 2, 3, and you can take those 3 screws out, and let's just do it. So the first one's out already. Second one. And we're going to get this third one out. And that's 3. And what you would do is unplug that unit, and this unit would lift right out of here. Here's a screw here. What you can do is you can raise that screw up. You know, in the ceiling it would actually be down, and you're going to lift up on that plate and just slide it forward a little bit, and this unit comes right out of there like so. And again, that's all there is to it. And again, vacuum or take an air compressor and blow that assembly out. It'll run a lot smoother for you. This is what it looks like inside the housing when everything's out of it. Again, 1 screw removes this electrical box. We have, this is the outside of the box. This is where your wiring would come into. You got 3 knockouts of your choice. We have mounting brackets that actually hold the unit to the joist. And these mounting brackets, they actually slide into this housing in this bracket holder here. And again, that'll be on both sides. But that is just a quick overview of that NuTone 605 RP. I hope this video helps. Thanks.